So these changes to the format of the Olympic Games, starting with Los Angeles in 2028, where all 3 rounds of the women's 100 meters, heats, semi-final, and final are set to be run on the first day of competition. And of course, this has tongues wagging negatively in the sprint capital of the world, Jamaica. But question though, is this a kind of impulsive and typical human resistance to change? We assume World Athletics did their consultations and due diligence with the physiological dynamics involved with these kind of changes. And think about it, for any given training session, most athletes at this level, men and women, run much more than 3 hard 100-meter races within an hour, which proves that physically it can be done. So who knows, maybe, just maybe, this plan by World Athletics could very well turn out to be quite brilliant.